If you've lost access to your Finance Factors account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Finance Factors website. Go to the official Finance Factors website. Look for the login section where you can access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Once on the login page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Finance Factors in your inbox. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password or recover your account. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, consider updating your account information. Add a new phone number or enable additional recovery options to prevent future access issues. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Finance Factors account without needing your phone number.